Dear students, today we will see some more details about 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. This reaction also known as Diels-Alder reaction, and it is shown by this is butadiene is react with the our dienophile. Okay, that is a diene system, and this is dienophile will give the such type of compounds. Component of the Diels-Alder reaction can be open chain or cyclic, but it must have yes cis configuration. Okay, this is our diene system, which is cis diene, favorable for Diels-Alder reaction, but such type of trans diene is not favorable for a Diels-Alder reaction. The distance between these two double bonds, okay, the that is the lateral position of carbon is 2.8 angstrom unit, and for trans diene, the terminal carbon distance is the 3.8 angstrom unit. Okay, that distance is the higher distance. Okay, trans diene is not favorable for Diels-Alder reaction because dienophile cannot reach both ends of diene at the same time, because the distance between these two carbon, first carbon and second carbon, okay, that carbon, okay, that terminal, first terminal carbon and second terminal carbon distance is the higher. Therefore the our dienophile, okay, this component, okay, this is a dienophile component, this component will not reach to the terminal carbons. Therefore due to this, the trans diene is not favorable for Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, the dienophile, okay, the dienophile, okay, the first is our butadiene. Okay, this is our diene system, and plus we have the, this is our dienophile system. Okay, this is a dienophile system. This system is called as the dienophile system. Okay, we can write here, this is the dienophile. We will discuss about this dienophile. Most common dienophiles are the electron poor alkenes and alkynes. A simple alkene or acetylenes are not good dienophiles. A good dienophile generally has one or more electron withdrawing group, pulling electron density away from the pi system. Okay, okay, that is our dienophile system, and this is our diene system. Okay, this is electron rich. Two pi electron is there. Therefore, this system is electron rich system, and this electron rich system attacks on the our dienophiles, and if it has the electron withdrawing group is there, then it is easily pulls this electron. Therefore the most common dienophiles are the electron poor alkenes or alkynes. Okay, therefore due to this electron withdrawing group is there, therefore this is the poor uh, poor electron containing dienophiles. Okay, therefore a good dienophile generally has one or more electron withdrawing group, pulling electron density away from the pi system. Okay, from this pi system, these withdrawing groups pulls the electron, and therefore it is a electron poor alkenes or alkynes. Therefore here are some examples which are the electron poor dienophiles. Okay, this is our dienophiles: conjugated carbonyl system, conjugated nitriles. Okay, this is again, this is electron withdrawing group, this is again electron withdrawing group. Okay, therefore conjugate sulfons. Okay, this is important things regarding dienophiles. The dienophiles must be electron poor alkenes or alkynes which give the fast reaction or is favorable one. Okay, dienophile which is poor alkenes or which is having the electron withdrawing group should be the uh, more reactive towards the diene. Okay, this mechanism of dienophiles. Okay, already we have seen that double bond, okay, will migrate to this. Okay, and this double bond will migrate and that bond will migrate there. We will obtain the such type of transition system. Okay, this is a transition system, bond breaking and bond making. Okay, bond break and make, we have shown the dotted lines. Okay, this is dotted lines is the bond break and bond make during the formation of this Diels-Alder product. Okay, this we have shown that one step mechanism. This is one step mechanism. One step mechanism occurs through cyclic transition state. Okay, this is a cyclic transition state. Okay, that is our cyclic transition state. Okay, in this, when you see the reactor, three pair of electrons move simultaneously. Bond making and bond breaking occur simultaneously. Okay, these are three pair of electrons, pi electron, and this is a pi electrons. Therefore, bond breaking and bond breaking occur simultaneously. That means the reaction is a concerted reaction. Okay, already we have discussed that pericyclic reaction is the reaction which is concerted reaction. Okay, cyclic and the concerted reaction. Okay, this is one step mechanism. Transition state is the cyclic, and we will obtain the our product. Okay, this is Diels-Alder reaction is a stereopacific reaction. Okay, stereopacific product is obtained. Okay, not percentage wise product obtained. Okay, it's occur the stereopacifically. Okay, only one product is formed, that is, it is a stereopacific reaction. Okay, there are three major stereochemical features of the Diels-Alder reaction that are controlled by the requirement of TS. First, we have already discussed that yes, conformation of the dienes. Okay, already we have discussed why the dienes require. Okay, this is a dienes, and your dienophile reacts with these dienes. Okay, this is if that is okay. This is our dienes, and this it should require the cis conformation. It should be cis. It's easily react this terminal carbon. Okay, and therefore okay, sorry, this easily react to this. Okay, this double bond move towards this, and this will react to this. Okay, therefore we already discussed that the distance between, okay, that is trans, this is our trans diene. Okay, therefore it is difficult to attack, okay, on this. It's this terminal carbon attack on this, and this will be long distance required for the attack of this dienophile on this diene. Okay, therefore yes, cis conformation of the dienes is always required. Okay, by orbitally we can show like that. Okay, this is the diene system and its orbital, and this is the dienophile and its orbital. Okay, if it is cis, okay, this is a cis arrangement. Okay, therefore it is easily overlap. Okay, due to cis arrangement, this our dienophiles easily react with this. Okay, new bond is, these are new sigma bond. Already we have discussed new sigma bond, and the new sigma bond, two sigma bond is formed due to sp orbitals, sorry, due to your pi orbitals overlap. Okay, but when this is our trans diene system, and due to the this is difficult. Okay, this reach this ethylene molecule or dienophile to reach this terminal carbon or this terminal carbon is very difficult, and therefore yes, trans diene is not favorable condition for the Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, overlap. Okay, here we have shown overlap orbitals for yes trans diene is impossible. Okay, already we have seen it is an impossible thing. Since stereochemistry, okay, stereochemistry of the diene and the dienophile are preserved during the adduct formation. The Diels-Alder reaction is a syn addition with respect to both the dienophile and the diene. Okay, this is a cis addition. Okay, this reaction is a syn addition reaction. That is a cis addition reaction. We will discuss the stereochemistry by considering the dienophiles and the dienes simultaneously. First, stereochemistry of the adduct formation due to the stereochemistry of the dienophile. Okay, Diels-Alder reaction is a stereopacific. Already we have discussed that it is a stereopacific reaction, and only one important, okay, only one product is obtained, okay, in Diels-Alder reaction. Cis dienophile remains cis in the product, and trans dienophile remains in trans in the product. Okay, this is our dienophile is reacted to this our butadiene or the diene system. In this system, okay, that is COCH3 and COH3 is same side, that is the cis one. Therefore in product it is also remain cis. Okay, in this case COCH3, okay, we are discussing regarding the our dienophiles. Okay, this COCH3 and this COCH3 are trans to each other. Therefore in product, first is the directed towards observer, and the COCH3 second is the away. Therefore these two are the trans to each other. Okay, this by considering the stereochemistry of the dienophile, we have discussed this which product is the octane. Okay. Now stereochemistry of the product due to stereochemistry in the diene. Okay. What happens if diene is different types of diene is there and which product is obtained? Okay. In this, according to the structure of the transition state of the Diels-Alder reaction, the outside substituents of the diene are always below the plane of the new six-membered ring of the adduct. Okay. Okay, this is our dyne system, and this is the outside group. Okay, these two are the outside group, this is inside group. Okay, we have discussed here, if okay the Diels-Alder reaction, the outside substituents of the dyne are always below of the plane. Okay, these are the outside, this should be always below in the product. Okay, let us discuss. Okay, this is our we have taken the common uh, dienophile and we have changed the dynes. Okay, this hydrogens is the outside the our dyne. Okay, therefore that first hydrogen is away from the observer and this is away from the, these are the away from, and these are the located towards, these are the located towards the observer. The next example, this hydrogen is the outside. Okay, these are the outside. Okay, that is outside group. This is therefore this is the away from, this hydrogen is the away from the observer. The next example, this pH is the outside group. This pH is also, second pH is outside group. Therefore we have shown these dotted lines and we have shown this dotted lines. Okay, in this case that hydrogen is the outside, therefore it shows the dotted lines, and this R is the away in this dyne, therefore we have shown this R with dotted lines. Okay. Next is the 1,3 pentadiene cis geometry form transdyne and the trans geometry form the cis dyne. Okay. Okay, we have concentrated in this region. Okay, we are seen this region. Okay, only this CH3 is the trans to this double bond, and this CH3 is the cis to double bond. Okay, this same side and this is same side cis. This is away from, this is away from this double bond, that is a trans one. Okay, this is a trans form. Okay. Okay. Now therefore this CH3 is, we have shown the dotted lines. Okay, that is the outside, CH3 is the outside dotted lines, that CH3 is the inside, therefore we have shown the solid lines. Okay, in first case this is the trans geometry, therefore this CH3 and this CH3 and the COCH3 should be the cis one. Okay, these two groups should be the cis one. Okay, in this case the CH3 is the inside directed, therefore we have shown the solid lines, and this COCH3 is trans to this group. Okay, therefore this CH3 and this group is a trans. When this is a at this position there is a trans cis geometry, you will obtain the product trans product, and if this CH3 and this is the trans one, and you will obtain the cis product. Okay, these are important things we will discuss in this lecture is also endo and exostereochemistry. In 4+2 reaction, always endo product is obtained. Okay, though endo is the less stable than the exo one, your product is the endo product is observed. Cyclic dynes are particularly reactive in Diels-Alder reaction because the two double bonds are cis in form. Okay, always in this dienophile cyclic. Okay, so if there is cyclic compound is there and cyclic dienophile is there, it is always cis form. Okay, if cyclic double bond is there, we know that it is always, okay, this is always cis. Okay, if cyclic dyne is there, it's always this cis one. Okay, because if this pentadiene, the dyne system should not be um, trans one, because it creates the strain in the ring. Okay, when we react this, we will obtain the, that is our if you this is a it's a it is a exo product. This is exo product, but actually endo is the favorable one. Okay, when we react this molecule to this, okay, two types of product is obtained. First we have already seen, okay, that is second product. Okay, CO CH3 is, okay, is located towards this cavity, therefore this type of product is the endo product, okay, and this is exo product. Okay, therefore we have shown here both COCH3 and this ring both are trans to each other, thus orientation is endo. Okay, this is below COCH3 is the endo one. Okay, substituent is pointing towards the cavity. This is a cavity on the concave side. Substituent is pointing towards the cavity, thus orientation is endo. Okay, this type of orientation is endo. And if COCH3 and this, okay, this carbon both sees to each other, thus orientation is exo. This substituent is pointing away from the cavity, thus orientation is exo. Okay. If COCH3 is pointing away from this cavity, that is the exo. Why? Okay, in this reaction, endo product is formed. Okay, when we compare the stability of these two compounds, exo is the more stable. Okay, this compound is the more stable, but instead of formation of more stable, it is obtained the less stable endo product is 100% obtained instead of exo product. Why this is happen? We will discuss. Exo is expected to be more stable than endo because it's pointing away from the concave cavity. Okay, this COCH3 is pointing this concave, therefore there is steric crowding. Okay, this crowding is there. Okay, due to that crowding it is unstable, but COCH3 are pointing away from this cavity, therefore there is a less crowding, therefore it's stable one. Exo is expected to be more stable than endo because it is pointing away from the concave cavity. But in practice, endo product is formed. Stereochemically preference for endo position is called as the endo rule. Okay, this is the endo rule. Preferentially endo product is formed, that is the endo rule. Endo product is major formed due to the secondary. Why endo product is formed? Due to secondary orbital interaction, we will discuss. And now, okay, that is our when this cyclopentadiene react with this dienophile, we will obtain the 86% this endo product is obtained. COCH3 pointing towards this cavity, 86% obtained, and 14% you will obtain this product. Okay, exo product, thermodynamic control product and kinetically control product is the our endo product, and endo product is majority form 86%. Why endo is formed? Okay, here we have discussed. Okay, this is our, okay, we have shown this cyclopentadiene like that way. Okay, cyclopentadiene orbital first, second, third. Okay, this orbital we have shown, and endo product is our COCH3 is pointing this, okay, cavity. Okay, this is pointing towards the cavity. There is secondary interaction. This orbital and this orbital is interacted with this 3 number of carbons and 2 number of carbons. Therefore, this is due to this secondary interaction, your TS is the stable one. Okay, this TS has got the stability. Okay, here we have written in endo orientation the electron withdrawing group of dienophile oriented inside the cyclic ring. Okay, group is, okay, this CO group is near to the conjugated system to diene endo transition state. In this orientation, p orbital of the electron withdrawing group approaches near to central carbon atom C2 and the C3 of the diene. This proximity result in weak secondary overlap. This arrangement observed only in endo transition state. Okay, but in exo 1 the CO group is the not away from this cavity, therefore it is not possible. These orbitals will show the secondary interaction with these orbitals. Okay, therefore exo product is the less stable, sorry, the TS of the exo product is less secondary interaction, therefore it is unstable than this TS is the unstable than the endo TS. Okay, therefore exo transition state has no possible secondary interaction. Okay, orientation effect in diol. Okay, this is all about the why the endo product is obtained. Okay, the orientation effect in Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, very important things. Okay, if there is a donating group is attached at this position. Okay, at this position, if donating, D means the donating group, W means the withdrawing group. Okay, if D is the present at that position, you will obtain the This only one product, this product is not obtained. We can explain by this. Okay, OCH3 is electron donating group. It like that way mechanism. Okay, its attacks on this. Okay, it takes this double bond. Okay, like that way by mechanism, its attack on that position, and we will obtain the majority or 100% this product. Second is electron withdrawing group at that position. Okay, electron withdrawing group, if it at that position, no, sorry, it is donating group. It donates the electrons. Okay, like that way. Okay, we have shown here. It donates the electrons and it will react here, and you will obtain the majority. This product is obtained. Okay, like by the this mechanism. Intramolecular Diels-Alder reaction, when electron withdrawing group is not present on the dienophile. Okay, we are interested in, okay, that there is a hydrogen. We are interested in is what is its stereochemistry. Okay, this hydrogen, if there is no any electron withdrawing group is present on this dienophile, then these two hydrogens here is a trans to each other, away from each other. Second condition, when dienophile part has electron withdrawing group which is present on the inner carbon of the dienophile. Okay, this is inner carbon. This electron withdrawing group is present at that position. Then these both hydrogens, this hydrogen is away, always cease to each other and always perpendicular to ring. Okay, this is the pointing towards the observer. Okay, this is always cease to each other and always pointing towards the observer. Okay, third case is the, okay, third case, there is at that position there is electron. Okay, this position. Okay, at this position. Now, firstly we have seen at that position. Now we will see this position. Okay, there is two possibilities in these conditions. COCH3 cis1. Okay, this is cis1. Okay, therefore this is shown with dotted lines. Okay, electron withdrawing group is always below of the ring. Okay, this electron withdrawing group always below of the ring. Okay, if cis is there, it is always below. Okay, cis or trans, it is always below. Okay, we show it is always below. And this hydrogen, okay, these two hydrogens is trans to each other. Okay, but this hydrogen may be trans. These two may be cis or trans. Okay, this may be cis or trans, but this COCH3 is always away from the, always below of the ring. Okay, this is always below of the ring. Okay, this hydrogen is always solid one, because this will be trans to each other. Okay, but this hydrogen, there is no selection of this hydrogen. This hydrogen remains the uh, bottom of the ring, or below of the ring, or top position of the ring. Okay, both hydrogen are cis or both hydrogen. Okay, important thing is the, these two are the always trans. Hydrogen and the hydrogen is always solid, and this is COCH3 is always dotted. Okay, this uh, stereochemistry is preserved in the product. Okay, and last one is the, this COCH3 trans one, but already we have discussed that electron withdrawing group is always um, below to the ring. Okay, therefore these two groups, okay, this group and this group is cis to each other. These are always cis to each other. Okay, there is no choices for this atom. This may be um, solid one, or this may be below of the ring. Okay, this, but these two are the cis to each other, but COCH3 is always, electron withdrawing group is always below to the ring. Okay, this is all about the 4+2 cycloaddition reaction. We have discussed detail its stereochemistry. Thank you very much.